Digital transformation trends reshaping manufacturing innovation. Digital transformation isn't just evolving. It's fundamentally reshaping manufacturing innovation. What key trends will define your ability to innovate and outpace competitors? Welcome, innovators. I'm Catherine O'Shea, and this is a channel where you accelerate new product innovation and bring superior products to market faster and smarter than ever before. Let's go. Digital transformation acceleration. Digital transformation involves the strategic integration of technology into every area of business, fundamentally changing operations and delivering increased value to customers. According to McKinsey, manufacturing companies that have embraced comprehensive digital transformation have seen up to 15% reduction in operational costs and 20% improvement in productivity. The stakes are higher than ever. Companies that don't fully embrace digital transformation risk significant market disruption. The World Economic Forum reports that 70% of manufacturing businesses that fail to adopt digital transformation strategies will lose market share. AI-augmented decision-making. The emerging trend of augmented intelligence doesn't replace human judgment. It enhances it. This approach combines human intuition with AI-powered data processing capabilities. BMW has revolutionized the production process by implementing AI-augmented quality control systems, reducing defects by 35% while accelerating production cycles. Another example, at Johnson & Johnson, where they leverage AI augmentation in their R&D processes, analyzing millions of potential chemical compounds to identify promising candidates for new medications, reducing development timelines by up to 30%. The impact is clear. The fusion of human intuition and AI precision creates unprecedented opportunities for innovation. According to Gartner, organizations implementing AI augmentation strategies experience a 40% increase in business productivity and innovation outcomes. Hyper-automation and the end of routine tasks. Hyper-automation leverages AI-driven automation for complex, cognitive tasks that go far beyond traditional automation. It combines robotic process automation, machine learning, and intelligent business process management to automate increasingly sophisticated workflows. In manufacturing, Siemens has implemented hyper-automation across their smart factories, integrating IoT sensors with AI-driven decision systems that autonomously optimize production parameters. This has resulted in 25% reduced downtime and 18% improvement in overall equipment effectiveness. The strategic insight is clear. Companies prioritizing hyper-automation experience dramatically accelerated innovation cycles. Deloitte's research indicates that manufacturers implementing hyper-automation see an average of 35% reduction in time to market for new products. Digital twin technology, bridging virtual and real worlds. Digital twins are virtual replicas of physical systems, products, or processes that enable real-time monitoring and optimization. They represent a transformative approach for R&D and innovation by allowing companies to test, iterate, and refine products in a virtual environment before physical production. In aerospace, GE Aviation uses digital twins to model and monitor jet engines, predicting maintenance needs and optimizing performance. This approach has reduced maintenance costs by up to $100 million annually. In automotive manufacturing, Tesla creates digital twins of their production lines, enabling them to simulate and optimize manufacturing processes virtually. This has contributed to their ability to iterate vehicle designs rapidly, reducing time to market by approximately 40% compared to traditional automotive development cycles. The strategic takeaway is undeniable. Digital twins are quickly becoming essential tools for competitive advantage, with the global digital twin market expected to grow from $6.9 billion in 2023 to $73.5 billion by 2027, according to Markets and Markets. Does this resonate? What innovation practices are you leaning into at this moment? Share this with a colleague, an innovation friend, and with our team at Narratize so that we can lean into those insights that are fueling your teams. Let's pause for a moment. So far, we've talked about AI-augmented decision-making, hyper-automation, and digital twins as the way that digital transformation is happening in manufacturing. Let's get into the next one, sustainability-driven innovation. Sustainability has moved beyond corporate social responsibility to become a core driver of digital transformation strategy and innovation. Unilever has integrated sustainability metrics into their digital product development platform, enabling teams to evaluate environmental impact in real time during design phases. This approach has led to a 30% reduction in product carbon footprint while maintaining market competitiveness. According to PwC's Global Innovation Survey, 78% of manufacturing companies that prioritize sustainability in their digital transformation initiatives report stronger financial performance and increased market share. The leadership insight is compelling. Sustainable innovation is no longer optional, it's strategic and market-driven. Companies that fail to integrate sustainability into their digital transformation risk losing consumer loyalty and competitive advantage. Final one, customer-centric digital experiences. AI and data analytics are driving hyper-personalized customer interactions, revolutionizing how manufacturers understand and respond to market needs. Caterpillar has transformed their approach to product development by implementing IoT sensors in their equipment, gathering real-time usage data to inform next-generation designs. This customer-centric approach has reduced development cycles by 40% while increasing customer satisfaction scores by 35%. The actionable insight is powerful. The future belongs to companies that use data-driven personalization to deeply understand customer needs and accelerate product innovation. According to Forrester, manufacturers who implement customer-centric digital strategies achieve a 1.8 times higher revenue growth than their competitors. So let's talk about preparing your organization for this digital transformation. Here's our recommendations. Based on the trends we've explored, these are the 3 actionable steps that you should be taking now. First, invest in AI augmentation, training, and tools. Start by identifying high-value decision points in your innovation process where AI can enhance human judgment. According to BCG, companies that strategically implement AI augmentation see a 3 times return on investment within 18 months. Number 2, adopt a robust knowledge management system for new product development. Implement platforms that democratize access to institutional knowledge and expertise. Harvard Business Review reports that effective knowledge management systems reduce innovation cycles by up to 35% and improve time to profitability for new products. Number 3, embed sustainability deeply into innovation processes. Integrate environmental impact assessment tools into your digital product development workflows. MIT research shows that companies with integrated sustainability strategies outperform peers by 21% on innovation metrics and 19% on profitability. So now we know. The blueprint for manufacturing success in today's rapidly evolving landscape is clear. Digital transformation is no longer optional. By proactively embracing AI augmentation, hyper-automation, digital twins, knowledge management systems, sustainability-driven strategies, and customer-centric digital experiences, you won't just adapt, you'll lead and define your industry's future. Now is the moment to take decisive action. Equip your teams with transformative tools, foster an agile innovation culture, embed sustainability into your core strategy. Your next bold move holds the potential to not only elevate your products, but to also redefine your entire industry. Thanks for joining today's conversation. For those passionate about staying ahead in manufacturing innovation, I invite you to visit Narratize.com. Explore expert insights, powerful articles, experience firsthand how our AI-driven platform accelerates your product development journey. Until next time, stay innovative, embrace transformation, and keep shaping the future. See you in the next one.